myself and my family. Came to the States, had a...
Hi everyone, it's Simi, aka the NailThot. Thank you so much for tuning into my very first YouTube video. Y'all know what's up. So excited to be doing YouTube now. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a very long time, and this is my first video. I am gonna try to not talk off y'all ear during this video, but don't hold me to it. So the first thing I like to do when I prep my nails is to use a cuticle bit. I have a whole bunch of different kinds, but right now I'm just using a flat top one. And don't forget, during the cuticle prep process, don't forget to put your drill in forward and reverse. Now I'm just going in with a sanding band. It is a medium grit. Always remember, very light pressure. We don't want to damage the nails. You guys see that she has some red marks in it. That is not me. She ripped off her nails and I already talked to her about it. It is always suggested to come for a soak off so that we can healthily take your nails off. Don't be like my client. I love her though. Now I'm just going to go ahead and dehydrate the nail plate with Young Nails Swipe. My favorite primer in this world is the Young Nails Protein Bond. If you know, you know. I'm going to go in twice to ensure maximum adhesion. I don't want to find out if anybody is a lifter. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Now I'm just going to start putting a layer of clear down so that the red and the orange don't stain her nails. It's a very bright color. I'm using the Young Nails Core Clear as well as the monomer. The girls that get it, get it. We love Young Nails. And the two colors I'm using is a color by Chisel and also Georgia Peach by Sugar and Cream. I really love Sugar and Cream. They have really good acrylic powders. And thotties, I'm really sorry about the angle of the camera. This is my first video. I'm gonna get it together next time. But if you're enjoying this video, go ahead in the comments and type luxury thoughts with a heart and a kiss. Thank you. I totally forgot to mention that I actually switched the orange from Sugar and Cream to a Valentino color. I can't recall the number right now, but I will have it in my description box. Not me all of a sudden struggling with the ombre as soon as I want to get on camera, but we made it work in the end, so that's okay. Now, baby, this is very important. When you're filing, make sure you get the acrylic off of the sides of the nails that's stuck on that skin. Pull it up so that when you put your file, it can get all of that off and you can have a more seamless free edge. I do want to make a more in-depth shaping tutorial. And also, if you guys have any videos that you want me to do, please comment it down below. I need ideas. You stiff as hell. Now you see how this girl is so stiff. I had to pop her with the nail file. Relax your hands. Ew, now the shape's what? It's giving, honey. The shape's giving. Period. I prefer not to have them wash their hands after I'm done shaping just because it takes too long. So I like to use a manicure brush and go in with Young Nail Swipe and just get all that dust and that grime off. Because we need a flawless base for that top coat. Baby, you see that shine? Yes, we love a shiny top coat. Now, at first I had only top coated 3 fingers because I was going to put stones, but little baby's a nurse and she wear gloves, so we can't do too much, not too much. here is the finished look. Thank you so much to everyone who watched this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and of course, subscribe to your girl. Thank you.
I take the time to take a breath. I'm in the present moment, spirit's guiding me. I close my eyes to visualize, attract my life, control my mind, be consciously. My soul is guiding me, aligning me, providing me divine energy. The universe is on my side, I'm manifesting what is always meant.